No, look. I'm only a little bit taller than you.
Just a little bit. They trim them just for me. That's great.
Yeah. This is cooking in Ciudad de Mexico.
I
can't wait. Yeah, well, I can always eat. You know that.
That's perfect.
Yeah. Okay, let's eat. Let's not get hit by a car too.
Yeah, come on.
And I'll find a basura for this.
Good idea.
Okay, should we cross this way?
Yes, please.
Amazing. So they sell all different things at this market. Food, ropa, like
souvenirs,
what else? Souvenirs,
comida, fruta.
Fruta, todo.
Sí, todo venden aquí.
This market sells a little bit of everything, and we're here to visit Quesadillas Lucha to have some amazing fried quesadillas. Elsa's been coming to this market for these quesadillas since childhood.
Mira, Sally, el chicharrón.
Wow! Mira el chicharrón. Wow!
Quesadillas, por favor.
Gracias.
Sí, gracias.
Mommy, I think I need a coin.
Oh no, I spent all my coins on Marlboros.
I'm going to tell Ana, ¿me puedes prestar 5 pesos? Sí. Muchas gracias. Ah, sí, uy. I find you here, guys.
Y yo también. Las quesadillas.
Adelante.
Ah, muchas gracias. Mira ese molcajete. Oh, wow.
Es gigante. Buenas tardes.
I'm kind of lost because you'll find the way. I think it's here.
Are you rolling? Nice.
We made it.
Ah, here we are. Okay, let's take these seats.
Yes.
Yeah.
Why not?
Hola.
Ah.
S1E3.
Oh, ¿qué es esto?
Muchas
Una
gracias.
quesadilla de huitlacoche con requesón.
Wow.
It's
Wow, qué
Mexican
rico.
food.
Sí, muchas gracias.
Great
Wow.
idea. Muchas gracias.
Oh my gosh, qué suerte. This is my first time trying huitlacoche.
Sí, es verdad.
Yeah. Okay, should I just have it right now?
Sí.
On a
Do you
plate?
want to put
Sure.
over these plates and we can share?
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
I think that you should get the middle.
Oh, okay.
And we can give Sally this part. I just want
Sally's
to-
really full, so
Oh,
I'm gonna give it to
Then I
Anna.
get this part.
I'll take. Oh, and this one's for me.
Sí, sí, sí. ¿Por qué no?
Wow. Huitlacoche. Okay. Wow.
Huitlacoche es el hongo del maíz.
It's sí. It's a delicacy. It's like a type of fungus that grows on corn. Y un poco queso. Sí.
The camera. Is it on?
Yeah.
Great. Okay, go ahead.
It's on. Huitlacoche. Is it focused on this? Okay. Yeah. Can you see it? Okay, I can't wait.
So good. What the hell?
Do you want some salsa on it? Está muy rico.
So good. Love it.
Like, not really, because I just want to try it how it is, but it's great.
Huitlacoche.
Huitlacoche.
You write it with H.
Say it again.
With, like yes in French, with la coche.
With la coche.
Muy bien. That's a word.
Riquísima.
Riquísima, sí.
Riquísima. Riquísima.
Oh my god. How lucky are we? This is amazing. Oh my gosh, I'm so
I
happy.
love this place.
Para Morgan.
Morgan, para Morgan.
Para Morgan. Soy Morgan.
Chicharrón.
Chicharrón.
Chicharrón aquí, por favor. Gracias.
Chicharrón. Y una de tinga, ¿verdad?
Ajá.
Tinga, ok.
Gracias.
Gracias, ¿cuánto?
Rajas, Ana.
Rajas.
Oh, para Ana. Muchas gracias.
Ok. Tinga para...
Sally.
Ok. ¿Hay crema?
Sí.
Salsas, frijoles.
¿Cuál es la más picosa?
¿Quieres algo pico picante?
No.
mucho.
Pero
Me
¿cuál es?
gusta picante.
Menos,
Menos.
un poco más
Ah,
y menos.
Mucho.
Ajá,
o
más.
sea, esa es la más picante.
Ay,
Más picante.
esta la preparo yo.
¿Qué es
muy
eso?
rico. No, es chile con arándanos, blueberry. Es muy buena, ¿eh?
Dígalo en inglés.
Cranberry.
Oh, cool.
Es muy rico.
Con cranberry y sesame seeds.
Ajá.
Y chili oil. Muy bien.
He made it.
Wow.
Poquito, prueba poquito.
Okay, okay.
Muy rica.
Have a little of that.
Wow.
Muchas
Provecho.
gracias. Provecho.
Where's yours?
Yeah.
¿Dónde está tu quesadilla?
They're making them.
They make
But I still
they
have
make a
my
little hole in your quesadilla frito so that you can add
flavor.
and so you can add your salsas.
Oh, that's true.
How is it?
My mouth is really watering. Okay, this one's tinga. It's chicken with onions and tomatoes. Oh, it's so good with the salsa. He told me to put this one.
Do you want some salt?
A little bit.
Dos de picadillo.
Thank you.
Muchas
Dos,
gracias.
las pongo ahí. Una y una.
No, son las dos mías.
Pero te dejo una y una.
Ah, ok.
¿Ok?
Muchas gracias.
¿Ready? ¿Ready? Cualquier cosa.
Sí. Muchas
Y me
gracias.
gusta tu salsa mucho.
¿Verdad que sí? Está muy rica. Rica pero rico.
¿Pica rico?
Today's the first day. We've been doing a lot.
Damn, it's delicious.
Exactly.
Wow. It's so hot because they just got it out.
I was about to say something very bad in
go
Spanish.
ahead.
Es la quesadilla.
Perfecto.
Lo siento, Ana. I'll bleep it.
Okay, good.
Perfect. Yeah,
Wait,
okay.
just
This one
me do
is chicharrón con queso, and it's my first time trying this version.
Put your hand back, Elsa.
where? Oh, do you want it there?
Wow. Wow. It's like, tastes a lot like pork in a really, really good way. It's super delicious, really savory, really crunchy because it's fried. And the salsas add like a really nice freshness. I'm even gonna add a little extra salsa probably. This is super good. Wow, so good. Incredible. The food is so good here, we couldn't resist ordering a little bit of everything.
Wow! Looks amazing. And smells delicious. Wow. Because that is just egg. How do you say that?
Egg?
In English, how do you say this? Egg? El huevo está
Air.
capeado. Ah, really?
It's what?
Air?
No, egg.
Egg.
Like, I don't know, I have to try it to see what it is. Oh, it's like fried. Okay.
Es huevo capeado.
Okay.
Taste it and you will know what it means.
So it's like an omelet, almost, or it's like a batter.
No.
Made with egg. I don't know how to. Oh, it's just egg. There's no.
Yes, but you do it like this.
So it's just scrambled egg, and that's it. Scrambled. Revuelto. Wow, this is so cool. And this is a tortilla. So this outside is egg, and this is the chile y queso, and it's served with rice and a tortilla. And Anna says you have to put crema, and I put salsa verde. Wow. Let me taste. It's so delicious, and it's really like nothing I've ever had before. It's so good. My nose is running from the spicy salsa. Wow, the egg adds like a really nice flavor. It's like fried. The egg is deep fried around the pepper. It's really, really good. Really delicious. And I love this salsa. It's so tasty. It adds a lot of freshness to the fried dish.
It was a good choice, Anna. Thank you for the idea.